like I'm scared of the pussy. I ain't tryna smash, I'm tryna get rich. In my head, I already got millions. Done say the turf shit, he called me smoking watermelon.
I'm back on that video, fool. I'm still in my room. I'm here to change my scenery. But I'm gonna change my scenery next video for y'all little twins. But I got mango. Feel me? I got mango, matcha, California twin. You feel me? Good flavor little twin. So I just picked this whole little twin. It's a hybrid motherfucking twin. I've been seeing the comments. Y'all been telling me to get Cars little twins. Y'all been telling me to get flavors and shit twins. And shit, my plug really don't be having them flavors little twins. But I'm gonna get them hoes when he had them hoes little twins. I got y'all please. But until then, shit, I'm just finna be getting flavors. I see twins. But yeah, please, fool. I'm really sober right now, fool. So y'all really finna see me get hot and mid-vid little twins. So yeah, let me stop already talking for opening motherfucker for y'all. As y'all see me back. It's a hybrid motherfucker. Y'all know I don't fuck with Annika once again. Annika ass. Fuck Annika. I ain't gonna lie. That's how I'm feeling. That shit be making me sleepy. Y'all see, oh my God! Low-key fool. I don't think I had this motherfucker before. I didn't have this motherfucker before. Thinking about it, I didn't have this motherfucker before. So yeah, this is my first time trying this mango matcha motherfucker. So yes. Cheers, little twin. First, we're going in first, hit a blinker. First hit the blinker and I feel the high rushing me already. They whole punching me, little twin. Let's get a thumbnail fool before I down and forget. Mid-vid. Dumb twin. But yeah, fool, y'all better be watching me with some in y'all hand. Y'all better be smacking some little twins. Put in the comments what y'all heading on. Cali's clear flying with more hits or whole melts, anything little twins. You feel me? Anything little twin. Put it in the comments. Y'all smoking Zaza, anything. Let me know. I'm gonna reply to y'all little twin. I'm not a bot, but I be telling y'all. But look at the oil. Let's get the oil check little twins. Or check on the whole food.
No battery.
The whole smooth. And my thing wanna die back there. Excuse. Hey fool. A nigga in my comments fool, he told me to teach y'all how to tell on how to ghost for the twins. Hey fool. Not gonna lie, I don't like how you put bit at the end of the 10 message. Every time like you call me a bit. But I ain't gonna lie to the twins. I'm still gonna do it for you, twin. But you feel me? Just don't come to me like that again, little twin. Talking about some bit. I'm thinking you calling me a bit, little twin. I know this that Louisiana Lego little twin. But in the city of Memphis, little twin, don't put bit at the end of that bit, little twin. Cause you calling me a bit, little twin. I ain't gonna lie.
Who you talking to like that?
I'm
talking to your ass.
You feel me, little twin? So,
oh, fuck you think you talking to like that?
I fuck with you though, twin. Let's teach how to goes though. You feel me? First off, this shit within you, bro. This shit is within you, little twin. So yeah, you gotta make sure your airflow perfect. To make sure your airflow perfect, little twin, you gotta make sure your room is kind of hot, little twin. I ain't gonna say hot, but make sure your room a little warm, little twin, like warm. So yeah, little twin. And this shit within you, little twin. So I can't teach you how to go. This shit is within you, little twin. So
new bitch love me to death. All my ex-hoes say I'm the worst. Cranking them cars, I know who the first. Got a little AI fit in my bitch purse. Been broke so long, you think keep cursed, but I know niggas that bounce from worse. This for clock, I hit a slime shirt. Slime got what it deserve. Little ass boy need to hang up a jersey. We got around, get your left on the curb. Gon' be with your boy just because of some words. Smoking up there, nigga, pay me some syrup. Bad bitch in the high speed, wasn't even nervous. I had to ask you before.
That's all the twin. That's all to it. That's all to it, the twin. I ain't gonna lie. That's all to it. So boom. I just told you that. Let's start hitting these hoes.
Fuck this shit, give me some woods from the stove. Let roll the young for speaking on bro. Anyway, we got 1050 a bow. You can give me 950 when you get the vote. You go against shit, you get rolled over. If you with them niggas, look over your shoulder. You see what we do to these niggas for trolling. Which one of these stupid ass kids I'm smoking? I wanna make a new style and go scope it. Don't none of the sneak discs go unnoticed. The bitch trying sneak pics, fuck up the motion. Know that I'm chosen, I gotta stay focused. Couple of tokens, we already know it. Still get active, you probably had noticed. We probably the one that had hit at your boards. 3% while I'm still hurting. I won't play with me unless you prepaid on your hearse. New bitch love me to death, all my ex-hoes say I'm the worst. Cranking them cars, I know who the first. Got a little AI fit in my bitch purse, been broke so long, he think he cursed. But I know niggas that bounce from worse. This for clock, I hit a slime shirt. Slime got what it deserve. Little ass boy need to hang up a jersey. We got around, get your left on the curb, gon' be with your boy just because of some words. Smoking up there, nigga, pat me some syrup. Bad bitch in the high speed, when he ain't nervous.
Wait, hold on. It's all about how you do it, and it's like all about how you do it. But y'all don't gotta do it like that though. Y'all can do it simple. Wait, I'm finna show y'all. Outfit, circle shit, I can like put y'all mouth in a certain way. But like, y'all know, y'all get what I'm saying. Y'all gotta put y'all mouth in a certain way if y'all wanna push that John out and catch it, like all the other shit. But y'all can't just do simple little ghost little twins. But if y'all wanna do all that fancy shit little twins. But sometimes, to be honest, I only be trying to do all that fancy shit little twins. That shit just happen just to come by. Like that shit just do it when I just do it. I need my water break. But yeah, that shit just happen to come by when I do it. But back to teaching. Hold on, couple more. But my airflow not even that perfect right now with twin. To be honest, my airflow not even that perfect for real. But yeah, little twin food. This color clear, this shit smacking me, little twin. I ain't gonna lie, it's smacking me. The whole mango matcha again, hybrid, motherfucker, little twin. I know. Y'all been saying, I know like color clear motherfucker, cause y'all really fuck with color clears on my channel, so that's why I'm really top of these motherfuckers for real. But yeah, little twin, put in the comments what y'all want to see me hit. I'm gonna call little twin. I've been saying y'all want to see me hit this I forgot what motherfucker y'all told me to hit, but put that hoe in the comments again. I'm gonna get that motherfucker. I'm gonna hit that. I'm gonna order that motherfucker or something, cause my plug might not have that motherfucker. But little twin, I got y'all, little twin. I'm broke, but if y'all enjoyed that video, I got many more on my channel. I'm out of here, little twin. Ski, little be safe. Ski.